All right, so we get this question about every year around tax time, so I'm going to show you how to do this. But how do I get all the payments I received for the last year with taxes removed? So what you do is you'll set a filter and then you'll run a report. So we have to create a report first. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Hit Customize Report when you're on the lead screen. We're going to go to Create New. We'll call this Sales Tax. We're going to drag over the columns for payments. So I scroll to the bottom here of available columns. I'm going to do payment date, payment amount, payment less tax. We'll include payment sales tax, and payment type. I believe that's all we need. And we'll just, let's include the customer name as well, just in case. Yeah, customer first name, customer last name. All right, then you hit Save Report. I'm going to show you how this group by and stuff works next, but for now we'll just ignore it. Okay, so now we'll click Leads here to refresh. So now I want to see all the payments I received for the last year. So we'll set the date range to payment date, fixed range. We're going to go January 1st of 2017 as the first date. Click it. Then go to, we want to do December 31st of 2017. So now I'm seeing all the payments I received for 2017. Even if it's a 2018 event, if the payment came in 2017, then it'll be included in this report. So that's what we want. Now, if they've made a payment in 2017 and another payment in 2018, the lead will show here, and the payments will show in the contract tab, but when you run the report, it'll skip the 2018 payment. Next, if we made that report here, we should find it right here inside of this drop down here, sales tax. And then you can just hit View, and it'll show you the list of them all. It'll have totals at the bottom. So it also, if we want to, so if I have multiple ones on here and I want to have them grouped by payment type or something like that, you can also adjust that report to do that. I'll show you how to do that by going back here to Customize Report. We'll pick the one we made, sales tax, and then there's a group by here. You can also sort, but we'll do the group by. We want to do it by payment type. Now, if you don't save and you just hit View here, then it'll just be kind of a one-time report without adjusting anything. But this was a bad example because I only had one of each type on here. But if you had a bunch of checks and a bunch of credit cards, it would have then summed them all together. So that's it. Hope that's helpful. Thanks.